Can you repeat the question, please?
Okay. Kanina, sinabi mo na ang top 3 officers ng OVP ay ikaw, as Assistant Chief of Staff, ang Chief of Staff, at ang Vice President herself. Tama ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Ngayon, sinabi mo na wala kang alam tungkol sa drafting ng liquidation reports. Tama ba? Wala ka ring alam sa disbursement ng confidential funds. Wala ka ring alam tungkol sa recording relative to the confidential funds. Tama ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Ito rin yung naging posisyon ng Chief of Staff. Wala rin siyang alam tungkol sa mga bagay na to. Ngayon, tama bang sabihin na dahil kayong tatlo, ang top 3 na officers or officials ng Office of the Vice President, si Vice President lamang ang may alam tungkol dito sa mga bagay na to?
Objection.
What's the ground, Christine?
Speculative, Your Honor.
If he knows, Your Honor, again, Your Honor, we don't want to belabor this point, Your Honor, but defense counsel keeps bringing us back to this point, Your Honor. The question does not become speculative simply because it's couched in a what if question, Your Honor. And besides, Your Honor, this honorable court has already ruled and has already directed the witness to
Your Honor,
answer, Your Honor.
the counsel would want the witness to speculate on the state of mind of the Vice President.
No, Your Honor. Let me answer it in 2 points, Your Honor.
Please, counsel, briefly.
Yes, it's not speculative, Your Honor, because there was already an admission that they are the top 3 officials of the OVP. Now, the answer would be based on that admission, so it's not speculative. The question would only be speculative. It's completely conjectural, Your Honor. And second, Your Honor, the only reason I repeated the answer because the witness himself requested me to repeat, but prior to me repeating the question, the Honorable Presiding Officer has already made a ruling. Your Honor, we will be squandering away time if every time I would repeat the question, the defense counsel would all of a sudden invoke another ground for objection.
Your Honor,
We're about to break for lunch, so let's end it on a good note.
Yes, but
Finally, Attorney Christine.
I will revise my objection, Your Honor. Incompetent.
Allow me, counsels. Base sa testimonya mo, Ginoong Ortonio, wala kang alam sa paggastos, pag-liquidate, pag-disburse ng confidential fund. Tama?
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
Sabi ni Gina Acosta, wala rin siyang alam. Tama? Alam mo ba yan? Na wala rin siyang alam sa paggastos ng confidential fund at kung paano ito niliquidate. Would you know that?
Based on what I have read
Na
in
testimonya
news,
niya?
Yes, sir.
Base sa pagkakaalam mo, alam ba ng Vice President kung paano ito ginastos?
The way I understand it, sir, as the head of agency, I would understand that she knows the implementation, sir.
Yes. So si Colonel Lachica, alam din siyempre.
Yes, sir. As the security